The first thing we're going to do is to download Python on our system and install it. You can visit python.org/downloads to see the relevant package for your operating system. One thing to note when you are trying to install Python is to make sure that you add the Python file to path. So make sure you check this box, then you can install. And so we're just going to wait for it to install. Now that we have the Python installed, the next thing to do is to open up the Python folder in a terminal. So I'm just going to locate apps data and then program file and Python folder. Yes, I'm going to highlight the path and just type cmd. This will open up the folder in the terminal. Then from here I'm just going to pip install Jupyter to install our Jupyter notebook. Now the installation for Jupyter Notebook 2 is completed. So now let's launch Jupyter Notebook by just typing Jupyter Notebook. And now our Jupyter Notebook is up and running. Click New to create a new notebook. And from this ID, we can start writing all our Python codes. So in the next video, we're going to be importing a data set into Python using pandas, and we are going to be performing some data cleaning.